Going ni ko ani guys, padulong sa Rodel sa hall. So pag-abot na ako, naganda ko if na ba schedule. So sakto pod na schedule 9 AM. So pasaka na ko ani. O before ta mo sulod, so mag-CR sa tadaan para dili na ta mag-sikawat. So pag sulod gina to no, grabe kagwapo ilang sini no. Grabe kang ngit-ngit pod. And kamulo na po ko galantaw na ni sa movie nga Head and Feels. So after sa movie no, nakita din mi sa akong classmate na si Kevin Bulawin Jr. So kumana din na guys. So paulit na mi din after ana. The title of the movie that I watch is The Heads and Feels. The Heads and Feels taught me that success and failure are both important parts of our life. Winning brings happiness and confidence, while losing teaches valuable lessons that help us grow. Every challenge reminds us that we cannot always control the outcome, but we can control how we respond to it. Instead of giving up after a failure, we should use it as a motivation to improve and do better next time. So I realized that failure does not define who I am. It is only a temporary setback that helps me become stronger, wiser, and more determined. Whatever the result is, heads or fails, there is always something to learn. Success is meaningful because of the effort we put in, and failure becomes valuable when we choose to learn from it and keep moving forward. Okay, safe and keep.
Here at the cine film, mini student watching the movie about Maricel, the OFW. And this time, the movie is done.
The second film that I watched is the title is Maricel. It is all about drama. So Maricel is a Cypriot drama that tells the story of Maricel, a Filipino woman working abroad. The film highlights the struggles, sacrifices, and emotional challenges that overseas workers experience while trying to provide a better life for their families. It explores themes to love, resilience, loneliness. My honest reaction about this film is, I like this film because it shows the reality of many overseas Filipino workers in touching and realistic way. The story made me appreciate the sacrifices they make for their loved ones. The emotion felt genuine, and the film delivered an important message about family, perseverance, and the value of hard work. I can personally relate this film because my mother is an OFW. Watching the movie made me realize some challenges and sacrifices she faces while working far away from our family. It reminded me that everything she does is out of love and desire to give us a better future. This film helped me appreciate her even more and inspired me to value her hard work and make her proud.